Hello students, we have completed exercise 2.2. Even after that, there were certain students who had difficulties with exercise question 2, 3 and 4 that I have already solved personally. मैंने उनके personally सब difficulty solve कर दी है. अभी भी किसी बच्चे को exercise 2.2 में difficulty हो तो पूछ लीजिए. ये exercise बच्चों को बहुत easy है. As I told you, it is like playing a game. जैसे आप सुडोकू का गेम खेल रहे हैं या fill in the blanks जो खेलते हैं ना हम लोग न्यूज़पेपर में आते हैं, इस तरह का ये गेम एक्सरसाइज है. ठीक है, इसमें कोई स्पेसिफिक मेथड नहीं है. यू कैन यूज योर ओन मेथड, योर ओन स्ट्रैटेजी. आप खुद की स्ट्रैटेजी से भी इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हो. गेटिंग आंसर इज इम्पोर्टेंट, हाउ यू गेट इट इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. ए प्लस बी भी ए प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू सी बी होता है, बी प्लस ए बी सी होता है. ठीक है, मैथमेटिक्स इस तरह से. सो solve that. Other than that, there is illustration number 22, which certain students found it tricky. Even I had a talk with one of the senior teachers, that is Ashna ma'am. She told me, yes Mona, this question is quite tricky for the students to solve. So that is why I hope all of you are solving illustrations honestly. जो बच्चे honestly solve कर रहे हैं उनको difficulty आती है, जो copy paste कर रहे हैं उनका तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते. तो जो honestly कर रहे हैं उन बच्चों के लिए I am going to solve your illustration number 22. So let us start with your illustration number 22. Okay students, let us start with your illustration number 22. Now what is given over here? There are total 80 members who participated in the picnic. So here we will write down total 80 people participated in the picnic organized by the school, and average contribution per person is 300. So every person contributed 300. That means total contribution is your 24,000. Okay. Now there were average per head contribution, it is 300. Now there are 60 students, each of them contributed 325. So there are total number of students, that is 60, and every student contributed 325. So 60 into 325 will give you how much? It is 19,500. 16 into 325 will be your 19,500. You can do it on your calculator as well. I have already done. Okay? Then we have information that teachers contributed little bit more in the picnic. There was a support staff of 10 male. So support staff was of 10. Okay? And this 10 male, you can say they did not support, they did not contribute anything. ठीक है, उनका contribution क्या है? 0 है. So here it will be nil. Then there is, you can say 20% of the participants are female. 20% participants female है. तो 80 का 20%. 8 2s are 16. 20% 20 upon 100. That is 16. 16 participants were, you can say, female. So total number of female participants, that would be your 16. Female के total में कर देंगे 16. Out of them 2 were teachers. अगर 2 teachers है and all the supporting staff were male. So female was nil. मैं यहाँ पे लिखना भूल गई. Supporting staff कितना है? Total ही है 10 and that is male. तो 10 male है यहाँ पर, ये is nil. तो 16 minus 2, that is 14 girls are there. Yes or no? So अगर 14 girls है तो 60 minus 14, how much it will be? 60 में से 14 माइनस करेंगे तो इट विल बी 46 मेल आर देयर. टीचर्स में हम देखते हैं तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट्स आर 80. 80 में से सपोर्टिंग स्टाफ 10 है, और यू कैन से स्टूडेंट्स आर योर, ये स्टूडेंट्स है DENTS, स्टूडेंट्स आर योर 60. तो 80 minus 10 minus 60, how much is left? 60 plus 10, 70 minus 80. So total staff 10 teachers are there. And out of that 2 were female. So male would be your how much? Male would be your total 8. ठीक है? And here it is 80 total number of you can say members are 80. Out of that female is 16. So male would be your 80 minus 16. That will be your 64. Okay. Now we have to find out teachers contribution. The total contribution was 24,000. Yes or no? उसमें से students का contribution was 9,500. So 24,000 minus 19,500 will give you how much? It will give you 4,500. Okay, so the teacher's contribution would be 4,500. Now we don't know the per head contribution, but we know the total number of teachers. So per head contribution of teachers is equal to 4,500 divided by 10. That will give you 450. Yes or no? 450. So here the per head contribution is 450. 450, which is higher than the contribution of students, which is given. That teachers paid little bit higher than the contribution which is given by the students, and supporting staff, they did not pay anything. So the thing is, this type of sum, it is like playing a game of Sudoku. आप जो सुडोकू का गेम खेलते हो ना, उस तरह से आपको खेलना है. यू हैव टू जस्ट गेट द इन्फॉर्मेशन फर्स्ट. सब जो भी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है वो आपको हर जगह पे पुट कर देनी है, और जो मिसिंग वैल्यू है वो उस गिवन वैल्यू में से आपको फाइंड करना है. क्लियर? We solve this sum because number of students had difficulty in this sum. So try to solve this sum again by yourself. Your homework would be complete. Spelling mistake हो रही है. Complete exercise 2.2 and all the illustrations. जिसका complete हो गया है वेल एंड गुड, जिसका नहीं कंप्लीट हुआ है वो लोग कंप्लीट करते हैं. ठीक है? ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस लेक्चर. वी कंप्लीट दिस लेक्चर. आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. गुड बाय फॉर नाउ स्टूडेंट्स.